Hello! Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I am Jessica, your English teacher.
Hello, Jessica. I am Jack, your student.
Hello, Jack. Today we will learn English you need at work in the USA. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great! First, let's start with greetings at work. Greetings are very important. They help you start conversations politely.
Okay, greetings. I am ready to learn.
At work, you can say, "Good morning." Repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Very good. You can also say, "Good afternoon" after 12 p.m.
Good afternoon.
Excellent. And in the evening, you say, "Good evening." Try it.
Good evening.
Perfect. Now, sometimes you meet colleagues and say, "Hello, how are you?" Can you repeat?
Hello, how are you?
Good. And the polite answer is, "I am fine, thank you." And you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Wonderful. Let's practice one more time together. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Perfect. You are doing very well. Next, let's learn how to introduce yourself at work. Introducing yourself is important when you meet new colleagues.
Yes, I want to learn that.
You can say, "Hello, my name is Jack. I am new here." Repeat after me.
Hello, my name is Jack. I am new here.
Very good. Now, if you want to ask your colleague's name, you say, "What is your name?"
What is your name?
Excellent. And the answer can be, "My name is Jessica. Nice to meet you."
My name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Try the full conversation with me. I start. Hello, my name is Jessica. I am new here.
Hello, my name is Jack. I'm new here.
What is your name?
My name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
Great! You are doing fantastic, Jack. Now let's learn simple phrases for asking for help at work. Asking for help is very normal. Everyone needs help sometimes.
Yes, I need to learn that.
You can say, "Can you help me, please?" Repeat after me.
Can you help me, please?
Good! You can also say, "I need some help." Try it.
I need some help.
Perfect. And if someone asks you if you need help, you can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you."
Yes, please. No, thank you.
Exactly. Let's practice a short conversation. Jack, can you help me, please? Jessica, yes, please. Jack, thank you.
Can you help me, please? Yes, please. Thank you.
Wonderful. You are learning fast. Next, let's learn phrases for making requests politely. At work, you often need to ask someone to do something. Politeness is important.
Okay, I am ready.
You can say, "Could you please?" For example, "Could you please send me the report?" Repeat after me.
Could you please send me the report?
Excellent. Another way to ask is, "Would you mind helping me with this task?"
Would you mind helping me with this task?
Perfect. Remember, these phrases are polite and professional.
Yes, I understand. Polite is professional.
Now, let's learn phrases for talking about your work tasks. You can say, "I am working on a project." Repeat after me.
I am working on a project.
Good. If you need more time, you can say, "I need more time to finish this task."
I need more time to finish this task.
Perfect. And if you finish, you can say, "I have completed the task."
I have completed the task.
Excellent. You are speaking like a real employee in the USA. Next, let's learn how to schedule meetings. Scheduling meetings is important at work. You can say, "Can we have a meeting at 2 p.m.?"
Can we have a meeting at 2 p.m.?
Very good. You can also ask, "Is 3 p.m. okay for the meeting?"
Is 3 p.m. okay for the meeting?
Excellent. And if someone agrees, you say, "Okay, see you at 3 p.m."
Okay, see you at 3 p.m.
Perfect. Now, you try a short conversation. I start. "Can we have a meeting at 10 a.m.?"
Is 10 a.m. okay for the meeting?
Yes, see you at 10 a.m.
Yes, see you at 10 a.m.
Great! You are ready for meetings now. Now, let's learn how to talk on the phone at work. Phone English is very common.
Yes, I want to learn phone English.
When you answer the phone, you can say, "Hello, this is Jack. How can I help you?" Repeat after me.
Hello, this is Jack. How can I help you?
Very good. If you call someone, you can say, "Hello, this is Jack. May I speak to Mr. Smith?"
Hello, this is Jack. May I speak to Mr. Smith?
Excellent. And if someone is busy, you can say, "I will call back later."
I will call back later.
Perfect. Let's practice a short phone conversation. "Hello, this is Jack. May I speak to Mr. Smith?" "I will call back later. Thank you."
Hello, this is Jack. May I speak to Mr. Smith? I will call back later. Thank you.
Wonderful. You are speaking very clearly. Next, let's learn phrases for talking about problems at work. Sometimes things do not go as planned.
Yes, I need to learn this.
You can say, "There is a problem with the computer." Repeat after me.
There is a problem with the computer.
Good. Another phrase is, "I need help with this issue."
I need help with this issue.
Perfect. And if the problem is solved, you can say, "The problem is fixed now."
The problem is fixed now.
Excellent. You can handle work problems very politely now. Finally, let's learn how to say goodbye at work. Saying goodbye is important too.
Yes, how do I say goodbye?
You can say, "Goodbye, see you tomorrow," or "Have a nice day."
Goodbye, see you tomorrow, or have a nice day.
Excellent. And sometimes you can say, "Take care."
Take care.
Perfect. Now you know greetings, introductions, requests, tasks, meetings, phone calls, problems, and goodbyes at work. Let's do a quick review. Repeat after me. Greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. How are you?
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. How are you?
Introductions. Hello. My name is... What is your name? Nice to meet you.
Hello. My name is... What is your name? Nice to meet you.
Requests. Can you help me, please? I need some help. Could you please? Would you mind?
Can you help me, please? I need some help. Could you please? Would you mind?
Tasks. I am working on a project. I need more time. I have completed the task.
I am working on a project. I need more time. I have completed the task.
Meetings. Can we have a meeting at... Is... Okay? See you at...
Can we have a meeting at? Is okay? See you at...
Problems. There is a problem. I need help. The problem is fixed.
There is a problem. I need help. The problem is fixed.
Goodbyes. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care.
Amazing. You did a great job today, Jack.
Thank you, Jessica. I feel more confident speaking English at work now.
You're welcome. Remember, practice every day. That is the key to speaking English well. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.